Welcome back to Savvy Serena. Today I have a farmhouse fall decorate with me. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. This bottle that I'm getting ready to show you, I got from Dollar Tree, and it was really simple to do. It's clear glass, as you can see, and it didn't break when it fell, thank God. But I took some of this Krylon almond spray paint and I spray painted it. And then I started with a dry sponge brush and started dabbing at the paint to try to wipe a little bit of the paint away so you could read the writing on the milk bottle. I realized quickly that it wasn't working. So that is why I spray painted it a second time. And as you can tell, it gave the bottle an old look, which is what I was looking for. These stems I got at Dollar Tree, and I don't remember what this particular stem was called. I can't remember, but I was at Dollar Tree a couple of days ago and realized they are not selling these anymore. This flower vase that I got from Walmart, no, that was Goodwill. I only paid a couple of dollars for it. And these are cotton stems that I purchased at Dollar Tree. And I noticed that while I was taking this plastic off, those little cotton things were coming off. So if you haven't messed with them yet, make sure you're careful when you do it. and for some reason the camera didn't show it, but I stuck styrofoam down inside of the vase. I wish now I'd used that green stuff instead. Lesson learned. This little tea light holder I got from Dollar General during their buy one get one free 50% off, and then it ended up going on their 90% off sale, and these were like $2. I ended up getting them both for $1 or something like that. I can't remember, but I don't want to use it as a tea light, so I got my needle nose pliers out of my toolbox, and it was very simple, just take those little tea light things off. I'm gonna keep them in case I want to use it as a tea light. I can, but I don't want it in there. These salt and pepper shakers, mason jar salt and pepper shakers, I got at Dollar Tree years ago when they had the plastic tops to them. I noticed that Dollar Tree still carries them, but they're metal. I don't recommend them because those metal tops do rust. So here is my final look. I didn't do that much, I only did a little bit. There's only a few other things that I want to do other than what I want to do outside, but I do think it gave it a farmhouse look. Also, my husband loved it. He liked the little bits and pieces that I did all through the house. Also on the stove, I ended up putting a little piece of mounting tape underneath that just to be safe so it wouldn't fall. if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Y'all come back now. You hear?